Okay, hello everyone. Just got delivery of my Rad Rhino 6 Plus. It's the European version of the RadRover 6 Plus, and really love it. Really enjoying it. But one thing which was annoying me when I put it together, and that was the rear rack. Rear rack is a separate accessory, so you attach it yourself. Didn't come with any instructions. There's an instructional video on Rad's website, which is for the Rad Rhino 5 or RadRover 5, which is a slightly different bike, and the rack is slightly different as well. So didn't answer the problem. The problem was basically the rear mudguard, which is this. My rear mudguard was banging off the bottom of the rack here. So this part here, this attachment here, and this one here on the opposite side were banging off the fender, as you call it in the States, or mudguard in Europe, which is causing a hell of a racket. So people could hear me coming around before they'd see me coming. So looked up a lot of instructional videos, review videos on the Rad Rhino or RadRover 6 Plus, and looked at a lot of images of the bike and so on. I really couldn't see what the problem was. I adjusted the rack forwards and backwards and thinking, would that help it? I was thinking of maybe dropping the rack here. Is the connection here at the right position? That would have been a very silly thing to do, to drop it to this position here, because what you're doing is you're affecting the derailleur protection here. Obviously, a no-go area. So eventually, after much thought, and it seems obvious when you figure it out, but it's this one here. Okay. When I received it from shipment, this was in the high position, so the fender was more forwards, and then by changing it to pushing the fender or mudguard that bit further back, and, as far as you can, and then screwing it in tight. That's it. Problem solved. This can bounce away, and it doesn't hit off the bottom here. Now, unfortunately, I have a number of scratches and so on from when it was. But anyway, that is the problem solved. So, hope this answers the problem if you have it as well.